Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create an ebook using LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice, if you have not heard about this software, this is a fork of OpenOffice and it is similar to Microsoft Word, MS Office, Microsoft Office. It is a free and open source software. So you can download the software directly from its website, completely free of cost. You are free to use this, free to distribute this. You're also you don't need of paying anything except for the donations if you are willingly want to pay. So you can go there to their website libreoffice.org. You can download from here. So it has a more robust feature set. You can go through the website for all whatever you want to know about the software. Everything is completely documented because this is community developed software. This software has a huge community, and for the life cycle of around 5 years, I think so, from 2010, 11, something like that. So 5 to 6 years of life cycle. This software has huge community because and it is rapidly developing, and more and more features are peeping in. So let's go to the software and let's find out how to create the ebook. So after downloading the software, you can directly go and open LibreOffice Writer. So it is similar to MS Word. It is having all the features what is available in the Microsoft Office. It is having here. And another thing is LibreOffice Writer is featuring a styles layout here. Though the user interface may seem little bit older, but it is having all feature set available in Microsoft Word. If you don't own MS Office, Microsoft Word, if you have not bought that one, then don't bother. Whatever you wanted to do with Word, you can do with LibreOffice. So this tutorial is completely for beginners. So the intermediate and the advanced users, please excuse me. So this tutorial is completely targeted at beginners on how to create an ebook using this software. If you are, for the beginners, if you are into internet marketing for a while, you may see that most of the information products available online is in the form of a PDF ebook. We are going to create a similar PDF ebook here. So let me use some dummy content. To get a dummy content, beginners, please note this, to get some dummy content to check whether your formatting is all right for that kind of purpose, you can go always to the website lipsum.net. So you might have seen this lorem ipsum $sit emet, this text everywhere online, offline. This was used by the pre-press publishers in olden days to check whether their formatting is correct or not, to check whether their printing is correct or not, to check the pre-press. So this was there for years. I'm going to create. What I did is, actually I went to the home page. This is the home page, and I have created a dummy text. So how much of paragraphs you want, or so after creating this thing, let's select this and copy. One thing we have to follow here, you have to go here and right click. Don't directly paste it. If you paste, unnecessary formatting will be there. So instead of that, you right click and click paste special and click unformatted text. So this will be the unformatted text. So in the case of an ebook, what you will be having is, you will be having a chapter title. So this is chapter 1 title. And don't bother about the formatting now. So let's do this once again. To go for the next page, what we have to do is either press Ctrl Enter, or what you can do is insert page break. So what it will do is, it will create a page break and it will create a new page for you. Again, here this is chapter 2 this is chapter 2 title. So once again I am pasting the same dummy content. Right click, paste special and unformatted text. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to format this for a quotation if you have some quotation or something. So we will do this later. Once again come to the end point. Already since we have created a page break in the earlier example, I have a new page and here I'm going to create my chapter 3. This is chapter 3 title. Once again I'm going to paste this, right click, paste special and formatted text. So you have 3 chapters. What you can do is either you can type in the content directly here. Instead of the dummy text, you can type in the content directly, or otherwise you can create number of files, a number of documents according to your chapters. Then you can copy and paste it over here to your ebook. So this is our ebook document. What we can do now here is we are going to format the ebook. So select here. The LibreOffice Writer is having the feature call for formatting the styles of this text. So in the right hand side you have that palette. If you don't have the palette, you can go here and you can select the styles from here. Anyway, you will be having the palettes here. You can click here and click heading 1 because this is the chapter 1, this is the chapter title. I'm going to select this one and click heading 1. And all this I'm going to click, select everything, and I'm going to, so you can see when you selected the text body how the paragraphs in and out have changed. Once again, you can customize it entirely to your need. So what I'm doing is I'm deleting all these extra spaces. So what I have here is, and if you want to change the line spacing here, you can change always here. So spacing can be 1.15 or 1.5. Then once you did all these things, you can always update your style here so that it gets reflected everywhere. So once you click here and click here and go for heading 1. Click here, select this one and go for text body. So you can see how this is reflected. Whenever you change the style, this is the basic desktop publishing style. So whenever you change the style, whenever you update your style, it will get reflected automatically. So this is text body, and once again this is our chapter title. So we have 3 chapters. I wanted to show 2 more things. One is creating a code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this sentence as a quotation. So I can select this one. This will be again text body. So what I have did is selected this text and I have created that as a quotation. I have changed the style. And what we can do here is, we have unnecessary spaces over here. If you want to change, you can always change. And also the space between the paragraphs, even you can update here. So the space between the paragraph spacing, increase paragraph spacing. You can always click here and click update style, so it will be reflected all over the document. Okay, so we have 3 chapters. If you want to insert any images anywhere, let's insert an image here. So what we can do is click here and insert image. So you can insert any image here. what we can do is we can click and we can resize the image size, and this is the text wrap. If you know MS Word already, then this should be easy for you. So we have learned how to insert image, how to change the styles of the document, and we have 3 chapters with 3 headings, 3 titles, and content, 1 image. So this is your ebook. Now we have to create our header and footer. Before that, let's save our document. So what we can do is I'm going to my browser, and here I'm going to, so after that, let's create once again a page break. This page we will use for our table of content, and once again this is the first page of our document. Here I am going to insert the book cover. So you can have your own cover, and you can, if you want, you can insert, or if you don't have any cover design, even you can just type it here and you can select the font size or use font arts. So if you're used to Microsoft Word, then this should be easy. So I already have this cover here. So after doing this, let's go and create our header and footer. So what is footer here? So let's go here. Okay, click here, align center, insert page number. So you will be automatically having page numbers everywhere. And what about the header? We can create a header here, internet marketing with the creator, and also you can use the tools. So instead of this, if you click that one and press shift, you will be having a straight line. So you can select the color. You can always increase the line width if you want. So you can select here and you can increase the line width. So this will do. So that's how you're having a header. If you want your name, even you can. I'm going to create my type in my website name. I am with thecreator.com. So this is your header. So what you have now is your cover page, your table of contents page, and one more page you can have. Control enter. One more page you can have. This is for your disclaimer. So you can center align it. Disclaimer. Most of the disclaimers are available online for free. You can always copy and paste, but be sure, ensure yourself that the disclaimers are legal point of view. Ensure that it will not hurt you, affect you in any way. So here we are going to create table of content. Before that, we can do one more thing, because this cover page should not have this header. What we can go here is click here and click format header and background. So click here, same content on first page. So the first page will not be having any header. So this is the first page header. You can delete it. Now this is the default header in all pages. Now you can create a table of contents. The table of contents, actually the LibreOffice Writer is developed like this. So based on your headings and based on your sections, that is more detailedly we have to go in, but for our purpose, this is enough. We have our chapter headings formatted as heading 1. So chapter 2 formatted as heading 1, chapter 3 formatted as heading 1. What we can do is, this much is enough for creating a table of content. What we can do is, we can go here, click here and insert table of contents and index. So click here, don't change anything, just like that, click OK. So you can see, based on the sections what you have here, based on the headings, you have three chapters and one disclaimer page. That's it. You can save the file, and finally from LibreOffice directly you can export as PDF. Click here, export as PDF, export. So this is what I'm going to do is, we can go to our tutorial location and I'm going to save it as ebook. So that's all done. I can go here and in my computer, in our tutorial location, the ebook what we created is there. So even if in the first page you can delete this line. So you have created the table of content, it is hyperlinked. You can always click here and you can go, it is a hyperlink kind of thing. You can click and go to that particular chapter. So it's well formatted ebook, it is of high quality. This kind of ebooks only internet marketers are using for your info product, ebook based info products. This kind of workout is more than enough. If you want to know more, go to the documentation page of LibreOffice and more tutorials are available in YouTube. But for our purpose, for creating an ebook for internet marketing purpose, this is enough, and more formatting options are there. Please play around, and if you have any doubt, feel free to contact me at any time. Thank you.